Vector quantities. Take a look at the following sentences. These are examples of vector quantities or vectors. But why? Let's take this sentence for example. 120 is a number. Kilometer is a unit of measure. East is a direction. Remember that a number and a unit of measure is magnitude. Now a magnitude and direction expresses a vector. Let's have other examples. So vector is magnitude and direction. Vectors are represented by arrow, and there are three important parts of an arrow. The arrowhead, which gives direction, the length of the arrow, which shows magnitude, and the tail, which represents the origin of the vector. Let's have an illustration. Eve is going to the playground. She is from point A, which is her house, going to point B, the playground. The arrow is a displacement vector. That is, the displacement is 2 blocks east. Now what if Eve went to Ava's house? The displacement is the blue arrow. Let's use a direction guide and sketch Eve's travel. Starting from the origin, we have one vector arrow going to the east, and another one going north. So the total or resultant displacement vector is an arrow connecting the point of origin to the endpoint. Before we end our lesson, study the illustrations. In illustration 2, the resultant vector is drawn from the point of origin to the endpoint.